Flexibility and convenience are important considerations in ensuring consumer satisfaction in today's dynamic industry. Customers frequently seek the opportunity to split payments between numerous payment methods when making purchases, allowing them to leverage diverse sources of finances. Split payments are a convenient alternative for both retailers and customers, supporting a wide range of financial circumstances and preferences. In this video, we will look at the concept of split payments, their benefits for both businesses and customers, and how this functionality may be used to improve the transaction experience. Split payment explained. The process of dividing the total cost of a purchase among different payment methods is referred to as split payments. Customers can allocate different sections of their payment using diverse sources, such as credit cards, gift cards, store credit, or multiple bank accounts, rather than relying on a single payment method. Customers can use this versatility to manage their money more effectively and make purchases even when they do not have enough funds in a single account. Advantages for customers. Customers benefit from split payments in a variety of ways, including increased spending power and a better overall shopping experience. Financial flexibility. Customers with limited cash in a single payment option can benefit from split payments. Customers can cover the purchase amount by combining available balances from several accounts or payment instruments when numerous sources are allowed. Split payments allow customers to use gift cards or shop credit in addition to other payment methods. This allows you to redeem gift cards or loyalty points while also utilizing other payment methods, which adds convenience and value. Split payments allow clients to stick to their financial preferences. They can charge a specified amount to a credit card, for example, while paying the remainder with cash or a debit card. Customers can use this function to keep control of their spending and make informed financial decisions. Retailers' benefits. Implementing split payment capabilities in a retail setting benefits firms in a variety of ways, ultimately resulting in increased customer satisfaction and sales growth. Increased conversion rates. By allowing customers to pay in installments, retailers can remove financial barriers that may prevent them from completing a purchase. Customers are more likely to complete a deal when they have the option to divide the payment, resulting in higher conversion rates and lower cart abandonment. Split payments improve the customer experience by accommodating individual preferences. This adaptability shows that the retailer appreciates their clients and is devoted to addressing their various needs, encouraging loyalty and customer happiness. Increased sales potential. Allowing split payments allows you to reach a larger consumer base. Customers with a limited amount of money in a single account can still make purchases by using several payment methods. This inclusion increases the retailer's sales potential and expands its reach. Adding split payment capability. Retailers can use modern point-of-sale systems or e-commerce platforms that allow split payment capabilities to efficiently implement this functionality. During the checkout process, these systems should provide a user-friendly interface that allows customers to select and allocate various payment options. The split payment feature should be smoothly incorporated into the payment procedure to provide clients with a pleasant and efficient experience. Retailers should also give customers clear instructions and information on how to split payments, allowing them to use this option with confidence.